Hello, Jameson Malgeri with another level inspections at inspectingyourhome.com. Today I wanted to make a quick video about exterior water faucets, also known as Silcocks or hose bibs. But many homes have, essentially a shutoff similar to this. There's a bunch of different styles, but essentially something that is attached to the end of the water pipe and has a shutoff, and then you can hook your hose up to it. With these types of systems, we always let people know that there should be a shutoff inside the house that, as the winter approaches, you want to shut that off, open up this device, let all the water drain out. Sometimes there's a bleeder valve to get any, kind of trapped water close to the shutoff out as well. And you certainly always want to remove hoses, because that's extending this pipe and just more to freeze and more to burst. So this is what we typically see. There's a couple concerns with this. First off, there's a concern for backflow. So one thing you can get is a vacuum breaker. And basically, if you have a hose hooked up to this and it's in a dirty bucket of water and the valve is open, you could have a change in the pressure in the water system where it's actually pulling water into it. And what that would allow is a potential cross connection, which basically means that dirty water could get into your potable water. And so you should always have protection against, that happening. So you never want a cross connection. And because this is a situation where you can create a cross connection, even if it's not there originally, that's why a vacuum breaker is a great idea, because even if you do create one, this will prevent the water from backflowing. Another thing to consider that's also important is improving the frost protection. So this is a frost-free valve, and essentially when I'm turning the handle off, instead of it operating a valve right here where there could be some water here, I'm operating a valve that's all the way over here. So it's inside the envelope of the house. This is the exterior wall, and the temperature this area is exposed to is much different. So because it's frost-free, if I should forget to winterize it, I have additional protection against the water freezing and damaging my plumbing system. So you still want to winterize a frost-free valve, but it certainly offers much more protection. Now, if you hook a hose up to it and you never take it off, obviously there's going to be water trapped in here because it was never properly allowed to escape. So you still want to remove your hose, you still want to winterize. It's just added protection. The other great thing is a lot of these frost-free valves, sometimes they'll have a little cap right here, and essentially that's also incorporating a vacuum breaker into this system. So it's kind of this and this combined, which is certainly the best of both worlds. So this is something, most homes we look at, we expect to see something like this, and we're always talking about devices like these to improve frost protection and then prevent any backflowing. So hope this helps to visualize kind of what we're talking about with these different devices. Thank you.